Hope you all are doing math practice sincerely.
Good morning, children. I am Sharma sir with the new video on chapter 12 equation of straight line. Okay, let us solve question number 8 from exercise 12.1. Here we have to find the equation of a line PQ which is 3y minus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So from this equation, this is the equation of a line. You have to write the slope of the line PQ. You have to find the slope of this line and calculate the angle that the line PQ makes with the positive direction of the x-axis. So see, this is the diagram. This is the x-axis and this is the line PQ. Okay, so it is making angle theta with the positive direction, this way, positive direction. So here you have to find the slope of the line. So line PQ is given 3y minus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So what you have to do, you write this equation in the form of y equal to mx plus c, because this equation gives the slope of the line. So here slope of PQ is equal to, then write in the form of y, eliminate y from here. So 3y equal to, transfer this all to the right side. So 3y equal to 3x minus 7, and to eliminate y, you have to divide it by 3 from both the sides. So that is why it is, therefore y equal to 3 by 3 into x minus 7 by 3. Therefore y equal to x minus 7 by 3. So this is in the form of y equal to mx plus c. From here you say that what the product of x, the coefficient of x is m here. So that gives the slope of the line. So therefore slope of PQ is 1. Because here no number is there, so it is 1 already here, so m is 1, so this is 1, so slope of PQ is 1. Okay, now you have to find the angle with what PQ is making with the positive direction of x. So here, since slope of the line PQ is m equal to tan theta, this is the slope of line is given by m equal to tan theta. So what is the value of m here? You got value of m is 1, so therefore in place of m you write 1 equal to tan theta, and 1 is replaced by tan 45 degree, because in tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So in place of 1 we will write tan 45 degree equal to tan theta, therefore theta equal to 45 degree. So this is the answer. So the angle made by PQ with the positive direction of x-axis is 45 degree. Okay children, so this type of questions are very common, it comes in the exam, so practice it properly. Now let us see question number 11. Given that a and 2a lies on the line y by 2 equal to 3x minus 6, then you have to find the value of a. Okay, this point is lying on this axis, this line. So when the point is, any point is lying on the given equation of line, that means that point is satisfying that line. That means in place of x and y, if you write the coordinates of this point, then you will get the value of a. So we do that only. So since a and 2a lies on the line, given line, therefore its coefficient, its coordinates satisfy the equation of line. So therefore 2a by 2 equal to 3a minus 6, and this implies 3a minus a equal to 6. So 2a equal to 6, therefore a equal to 3. So the value of a you got 3. Okay, so what you did here, in the equation, given equation, in place of y you have written 2a, and in place of x you have written a, and thus calculated a equal to 3 is the answer. Okay, now after that let us see question number 20. So 20 says that find the value of a for which the following points, point A is coordinate is a and 3, okay, B 2 1 and C 5a are collinear. Hence find the equation of a line. Okay, this you have to find the equation of a line. So what you do, since the point A, B, C are collinear, it is given the line is collinear. So it is collinear, that means if the point is collinear, then their slopes are equal. That means slope of AB must be equal to slope of BC. If it is equal, if they are collinear, so this is the condition, it should be satisfied, the equation of line should be satisfied. So therefore slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Now slope of AB, you know that formula for slope. slope of AB, the coordinate of A and coordinate of B, then slope is given by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, so here you see this one is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So slope of AB is 1 minus 3 by 2 minus A equal to slope of BCB A minus A by 5 minus 2. Okay, so we have written the coordinate of A and B only here, and on calculation you got this implies do cross multiplication. 1 minus 2 is 1 minus 3 is minus 2 and this is 3, so minus 2 into 3, and this cross multiplication you got A minus 1 into A minus B, 2 minus A, and this is minus 6 equal to 2A minus A square minus 2 plus A. So this is the calculation only, and if you calculate it you will get the quadratic equation in this form, and on factorizing this quadratic equation you will get the value of A. So this factor is A minus 4 into A plus 1 equal to 0, therefore A equal to 4 or A equal to minus 1. So this is one answer. What you have to find the value of A. So this is the value of A. Now you have to find the equations also. So for equation there are two conditions. If A equal to 4, then what is the equation, and A equal to minus 1, what is the equation. So let us see the first case when A equal to 4. So when A equal to 4, then the slope of line AB, this slope AB will be given, slope of AB is this one, A minus 1 minus 3 by 2 minus, in place of A you will write 4, so it is minus 2 by minus 2, that is 1. So slope of line is 1. Then equation of line. Now equation of line, you have learned that conditions, equation of line points, equation of a 1 point, equation of 1 point form, you know, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is 1 point equation of line. So y1 and y2, in place of x1 y1 we put the value of what, this 2 and 1. So it is x1, this is y1. So you got here y minus 1 because y1 is 1 equal to 1 is the slope you got, and x is the formula, and minus x1. What is x1? x1 is 2. So you write here x minus 2, and on simplifying this all you will get x minus y minus 1 equal to 0 is the one equation. And if you take A equal to minus 1, then the slope of the AB, then in that case if A equal to minus 1, then slope of AB will be changed, and it will be 1 minus 3 by 2 minus minus 1, because it is A is minus 1, so minus minus plus, so 2 plus 1 is 3, so minus 2 by 3. So this is the equation of the slope of another slope of line AB when A is minus 1. Therefore equation of line AB equal to, again equation of line formula, y minus y1 into equal to m into x minus x1. Now place the value of m. This is the slope of line, this is m. So here y minus 1 equal to minus 2 by 3 into m is minus 2 by 3 and x minus 2, this is y, this is x1. So this you got, and then simplify this, do cross multiplication with 3, and 3y minus 3 equal to minus 2x plus 4. Therefore transfer all this to left side, you will get 2x plus 3y minus 3 minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Okay children, so this way you can practice, you try to understand whatever I have explained and try to solve. So you do the similar questions from the exercise, and have a nice day. In next video I will do some more questions related to this chapter 12.1. That will be then over. Okay, thank you children.